Hello, dear students. I welcome all of you to this platform. In this lecture, we will discuss about the basic introductory part of your syllabus. It is nothing but your major subject of BSc Microbiology. It is nothing but the MIC DSc T250 Environmental Microbiology. It has total 2 credit of syllabus, and it includes the syllabus nothing but the first unit is, or we can say it is nothing but the module. It is nothing but the first unit is air microbiology, in which we have to discuss about the what is meant by air flora, what is the definition of air microflora, and which of the component of air normally you can consider in the microbiological aspect. Apart from that, we have to discuss about the transient nature of air flora. So these are nothing but the temporary flora which affect the microflora. In this, we have to discuss about what is meant by droplet, what is meant by droplet nuclei, and aerosols, and what are their effect on human health, how they are transmit the air pathogens from one place to another, or we can say one person to another person, how air acts as a carrier to transfer that droplet or droplet nuclei from person to person. Also, we have to discuss about what is meant by the air pollution with respect to the chemical pollutant, their sources in the air, and their effect on the human health. In this, we have to discuss about the principles of air sampling, how we can calculate, or we can say how we can determine the quality of air with respect to the microbial load present in that air. Here we will discuss about different methods with respect to solid impaction method, or in this we can different methods can be used to determine the air quality. Again, we have to discuss about the different liquid impingement method which can be used to determine the air quality. Another one is the sedimentation method, and all these methods are used for the air sampling and to determine the quality of the air. Also, we have to discuss about the air sanitation, and in this, we have to discuss about the chemical and physical methods of air sanitation. Next, your second module is nothing but the with respect to the microbiology of water. In that, we have to discuss about the what are the different types of water, sources of microbes in the water, how different microbes are enter into the water, and how they are represent the microflora of that water bodies. Again, we have to discuss about the determining the sanitary quality of water with respect to the fecal pollution. In that, we have to discuss about the what are the fecal coliforms and non-fecal coliform. We can differentiate that fecal coliform or from that organism enter in the human water bodies from human faces or from non-fecal origin, and that we have differentiate that fecal coliform and non-fecal coliform on the basis of their immune classification. We can say in this we can discuss about the indole, methyl red, Voges Prosker, and or we can say indole production, methyl red test, VP test, and citrate utilization test, and temperature elevated test. Uh, by using this method, we can differentiate the coliform into whether that organisms are from fecal origin or from non-fecal origin. On that, we can determine that whether that water bodies are contaminated with the fecal coliforms which are originated from the human feces. After that, we can discuss about the, or we can determine the bacteriological examination of water with respect to different methods we can use in that. Is nothing but we can say MPN method, most probable number count we can use for that estimation. In this also we can differentiate that test into three different steps. One is presumptive test, another is confirmatory test, and third one is completed test. Standard plate count, most probable number, and membrane filter technique. These are nothing but the different bacteriological methods used for the determining the bacteriological quality of water. Later on, we have to discuss in this topic nothing but the water purification method with respect to disinfection of potable water supplies, or how to make that water bodies uh, that can be potable for human consumption. So in this unit, we can discuss about the different water purification methods. Again, in third module, we have to discuss about the another major aspect of with respect to water microbiology and nothing but the sewage and wastewater microbiology. That we have to discuss about the analysis of wastewater, as one of the major part of your life is nothing but water, and after the use we can release that water into the environment, and that acts as a source of wastewater. In this, we have to discuss about the physico-chemical parameters with respect to pH, temperature, total solids, or we can say TDS, suspended solids, chemical and oxygen demand, and biological parameter like BOD or COD. Apart from that, we have to discuss about the industrial water pollutant, their ecological effect and health hazard with respect to biomagnification and eutrophication. As these two, biomagnification and eutrophication, are these are nothing but the major concern with respect to the contamination of water bodies. Again, we have to discuss about the different methods of water effluent treatment, including primary treatment processes, secondary treatment, tertiary treatment, and these are nothing but the different method used for the treatment of the wastewater. Again, and last point, we have to discuss about the recycling and reuse of wastewater. How by using different treatment methods we can reuse that wastewater, or we can make that wastewater to usable form for either in the agricultural or industrial purposes. So in that, we have to discuss of the treatment of sludge thickening and dewatering, and its disposal methods, biochemical mechanism of biomethanation, types of anaerobic digester, and their application with respect to the biogas production. So these are nothing but the syllabus of your uh, paper. Is nothing but the environmental microbiology. And in that, we have to discuss about these major three types of infection, or three modules, in which we have to discuss about what is meant by air, which is surrounded by air is surrounded by everyone, and we have to discuss with respect to microbiological aspect. Again, we have to discuss about the quality of drinking water or potable water, and the water we can also call as nothing but the wastewater and their treatment process. Nothing but the more most important aspect of microbiology, which is daily used by every human being. So we'll discuss all these aspects in that paper. Thank you.